Hello everyone and welcome to this first look at the 42nd Street connector here at the 42nd Street Bryant Park on the 6th Avenue line. First con, they could have put it the connector on that location up there to have it a more direct connection between the Flushing line, 6th Avenue. But no, they have to put in that the passengers have to go down the stairs, come through here, and then go up the stairs. So let's look at it, shall we? And as a reminder, your shuttle runs between 6 a.m. and 11, between 6 a.m. and midnight. And you can access it from both platforms on the 6th Avenue line. So let's continue. As you see, the counter clock on the Broadway line. And here we are at the 42nd Street shuttle platform. Longer platform. But now a 6-car platform. Instead of having a 2-car platform.
There is a train arriving on track 1.
Right, there's a train arriving on track 1.
Train
So basically, from this vantage point, you have a pop-up block. And you have a train arriving on track 4. So you don't have that view anymore that we had in the past, that we could have seen one trains passing like the old days. So all this is covered. But now we have something different. So now we could go from 8th Avenue all the way to 6th Avenue. Although that today we're not going to do that because of time constraints. We have a local bus. That's all the buses, include the select bus service buses. We have the select bus service stations, all the select bus service stations, all the select bus service in the subways. The subway diagram. So basically, the 42nd Street shuttle is now fully accessible. Now on both ends, and here at Times Square and at Grand Central. And you can connect with the 7 train here at Times Square and at 5th Avenue. And also you can connect with the 6th Avenue line without walking to 6th Avenue or taking the M42 bus 1 block over. To Bryant Park. So excellent job by Janet Lieber's team. Kudos to him when we see him on Monday. So thanks for watching this first look at the 42nd Street connector here at Times Square.